Other way, Radhika's mood,
另外的汲取了德拉蒂的心绪，
his desire, he wants to taste this mood
这种心绪，
and give him this pure devotion love to everyone.
关爱给每个人，一个是
In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
给
came.
予所有人，所以这样他都不显现。
This fourth chapter, Srila Kaviraj Goswami Pad, he
这
described
第四章，是
what is Sri Krishna's desire.
得到谁是他的愿望是什么？
His eternal desire,
他内在的愿望。
Prem Ras Nirjas Kariti Aswa.
人物的你家，
He wants to taste
去体会
this Radhika's mood.
这种拉蒂卡的心绪，
This is Prem Ras Nirjas, pure
跟
juice.
拉斯尼讲纯粹的。
Other way, Rajmarga Bhakti.
另外一个的话就是
How is Brajavasi's mood? How they want,
他在巴西之后，你的这种心绪是怎样的？
how their bhakti.
他们的方法是怎样的？
So this is for preaching.
所以他就把这个
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came.
这就是禅定阿的
He is Rasik Sikha.
他被称为是个是
Supreme Lord Sri Krishna tasting us.
品味的品味，
Other way, he is great mercy.
因此的话可以理性的
So he wants to give this mood.
想要给予这种心绪，
Whole of the world, everyone, they are following God.
全世界的人都追随这些，
God is Supreme Lord.
他们都是这种主持
We are following God
人守着，我们跟随他，
by the opulence mood.
说这种富裕、尊敬、敬畏的心绪。
Sri Krishna told, so I don't want to happy.
谁不想说的？
So I am not happy because
不能够因为这种
we are
敬畏之心而得到满足，
prem is going down.
因为这样的话会使他们对我的这种宠爱，
Opulence mood coming up.
而且这种这样
In this way, I am not satisfied.
这种情绪会提升，会变多，所以我不能够感到满足。
How become satisfied?
怎样才能得到满足呢？
Who is serving me? Who is following me? I am following to you.
所以谁追随
This is my duty. Devotees are following me. I am following my devotee.
发现这些所有我的存在是
This is my nature.
这是我的自然本性，
But everyone's mood is not same.
但是每个人的心绪是不一样、不同的。
Mostly people, they are followers, following,
大部分人在
but opulence mood.
但是通过这种富裕、自
Sri Krishna told, so I am not satisfied by their bhakti.
通过这种
If someone following me, Sri Krishna is my son.
追随我以这种时刻享受儿子的心绪，
My friend,
我的朋友，
my beloved.
我的挚爱。
In this mood, they are serving me, following me.
在以这种心绪追随我、服务我。
I am Sri Krishna's mother.
我是
I am his father.
是他的父亲，
This mood.
这种心绪，
Or
或者
friend,
朋友，
same mood.
与朋友之情等等的。
In this way, friendly mood, following me.
因此以这种
Friendship mood, parental mood, beloved mood, they are serving me, they are giving me love and affection. In this way, I depend my devotees. Otherwise, I never depend. Mai bhaktir hi bhutanam amritattvaya kalpate. Everyone following me.
每个人追随我，
This is nectar, pure nectar.
这是甘露。
There are more love and affections.
我给更多的爱和爱意，
In this way, they got me.
给更多的爱意，安装得到。
Mata more putra bhavi करेन बंधन अतिहीन ज्ञानी करी लालन पालन माता यशोदा one side Mata Yashoda, other side Devaki Mata. Devaki Mata afraid cannot give breast milk because he is Supreme Lord, Chakradhari. How can give? How can give love and affection? But Sri Krishna becomes his son, her son. Mata Devaki cannot give breast milk, cannot give so much love and affection, afraid. Other side, Mata Yashoda never think, Sri Krishna is my son. If not drinking milk, maybe ghost coming, make disturbance, make problem. In this way, Mata give him her breast milk. Other side, making cow dung, paste, cow dung, paste and cow urine. In this way, bathing to Sri Krishna. Bathing by the Panchamrit, milk, ghee, sugar. Anyway, Sri Krishna, Mata Yashoda bathing to Sri Krishna. Mata Mori Putra Bhavi Karena Bandho. Sri Krishna is my soul. I am binding to him. Why he is small boy, don't know anything else. In this way, serving, bathing, and give him food, prasadam, everything. Sakha Suddha Sakhi Kare Skande Aru. Sakha friends. Oh, you are my friend. You are not great, you are same to me. Both are same. We are playing together. In this way, they are throwing to Sri Krishna on the dust and keep covered by the dust. Again Sri Krishna stand up, broke the old dust and stand up, catch the Subal Siddham, throw it in the dust and put it cover. Same way, Priya jadi मान करी करे वर्ष वेदस्तुते होइते हरे मोर मन Priya, beloved, Braja Gopi, they are doing man, sulky. And Watson, you are cheater, you are talking false talk, you are cheater, duplicity, so many ways. Braja Gopi, they are speaking to Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna becomes very happy. Other side, Brahma praying so many prayers, Vedastuti. But Sri Krishna not satisfied, no happy. Other way, Brajagopi, they are speaking so many things. Oh Hari, you must go away. Don't stay here. Oh Madhav, you can go. No need here. Oh Keshav, you can go there. You can make her decorate. She will be happy, not here. Must go. Don't speak more liar. You are liar.
不需要讲
Don't speak false talk.
不要讲真话。
In this way, Brajagopis they are speaking.
是大家不能这样。
But Sri Krishna told,
但是谁
I am satisfied.
讲到
I am happy.
大家很满足，
They are stealing my mind, my heart.
我的心意，是我的心，
This is pure bhakti.
这是纯正的爱。
So I am coming in this world. I manifest this pure bhakti, pure
是
bhakti.
这种纯正的爱，有这种纯正的
I manifest so many wonderful leela.
因此，我要展示这种非常完美的经历。
বৈকুণ্ঠাদ্যে নাহি যে যে লীলার প্রচার সেই সেই লীলা করিব যাতে লোকে হয় চমৎকার everyone will be surprised
他的感到惊讶震惊。
in Vaikuntha Dham
在百昆塔无忧松树，
any other place Golok Dham
格罗坎之所，
there is no leela
没有
those leela nothing so I am manifesting in this material world.
所以同样的这种。
In this way, everyone surprised. So what is nothing there? Everything present, all Leela is there, but what is nothing? Like every day, Brajavasi, Brajagopi, they are meeting with Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna playing in Brajabhumi. He is not going to Mathura and Dwarka. In Golok Dham, Sri Krishna never going Braj to Mathura or Mathura to Dwarka. Always he is present in Brajabhumi. Same time in Mathura, same time in Golok, in Dwarka. Never be separate. In this way, we cannot see all Sri Krishna going Mathura and Dwarka. And Brajavasis, they are feeling deep separation. Because this Leela is not there. But all the time present, Sri Jiva Goswami told.
但是基督哥虽然总是讲到，
Sri Jiva Goswami told Brajavasis, they are feeling.
大家巴西的经历。
After long time, Sri Krishna came in Brajabhumi.
很久之后，是非常回到大家中来。
Brajagopis, Radharani, also others, everyone, they are feeling. So Sri Krishna coming today.
都感觉到要今天回来了。
Sri Krishna coming after long time. Sri Krishna coming in Brajabhumi today.
是不知道明天大家都会。
Always they are feeling. In this way, they are very, very careful. Very, very eagerness.
他没有这
And very happy mood.
个愿望，
They are living
总是不是
with Sri Krishna,
住在一起，
serving to Sri Krishna.
尽管是不是很久之后才回来，
Every day they are feeling this mood.
因此他们总是在感受这种。
After long time, we found to Sri Krishna.
实际上是过了很久之后才发
In
现。
this way, they have moved. This is called Samriddhiman Milan.
这个就是想规定了没了这种记忆。
Milan 4 times.
没了的话也分4个。
Meeting 4 times. There are more Samriddhiman Milan.
4种没怎么。
After separations, they are feeling, oh, Sri Krishna came today.
所以感觉到哦，是
I meet with
早就回来了，
with Sri Krishna.
相见。是。
In this way, they are not feeling deep separations,
所以他们
but they have
分离之心，
experience.
但是他们就有这种体会经历，是经历这种分离，
This experience
这种经历。
in the material world, when Sri Krishna comes,
但是不是很难。
after short times, Sri Krishna going to Mathura,
在这个
Mathura to Dwarka.
只是很短的时间。
That time Brajagopis, they are feeling deep separation.
之后所有的八家内容就是分明
When they are feeling deep separation, internally Sri Krishna is with gopis,
他们在这个分离之前之间的时候，他们内在的是非常
always living inside
就是要想着
Sri Krishna and Brajagopis.
是不是他们在分离，
But outside they are feeling separations.
但是外在没有摆上这种分离，
Sri Krishna is not there.
是不是不在这儿？
Outside
外在
they are feeling Sri Krishna is not here.
好像是不是不在这儿？
In this way, deep separations move.
所以会有这种
They are weeping, crying, panting.
会不强烈。
At a time,
而且的话，会倒地。
Brajagopis,
那个时候，大家
deep separations.
这种分离之心，
বাইরে বিষে জ্বালা হয় ভিতরে আনন্দময় यही कृष्ण प्रेमार अद्भुत स्वभाव outside feeling pain
外在的感受非常痛苦，
inside have too much happiness
却感受非常的甜蜜。
this is Krishna prema
就是是不是他的称号，
very very wonderful things
非常非常完美的，
outside and inside
外在内在不同的。
in this way বৈকুণ্ঠাতে নাহি যে যে লীলার প্রচার in Vaikuntha Dham,
那我们来喷到没有清楚，
in Golok Dham,
刚刚看，
those Leela nothing, that Leela is here.
并没有展现过这样的消失，这个消失直接显在我这
In this way, manifest how is Radhika's mood.
所以在这个位置是在这里，
Without separations, we can't understand.
之前的话根本就不能够明白。
By the separations mood,
分离之前，
they are feeling,
感受
oh, how is this mood?
这个心绪是怎样的？
Brajagopi's mood.
大家会有不同的情绪，
So Brajagopi's mood,
大家会有不同的情绪。
when Sri Krishna
但是不是
went to Mathura,
突然
very, very deep separation.
很深很深很强烈的分离，
Dibba Unma, transcendental mad.
这个超
This madness,
这种疯狂，
there are more wonderful.
你能更加看到极致，这个疯狂，
This mood manifest in this material world.
这种情绪的话展现在自动的呈现。
When Sri Krishna went to Dwarka,
可以找到。
at that time Radharani fainted for Sri Krishna. What is their mood? Deep separations mood. Not possible when they are meeting together that time. Not possible. No chance. In this way, so I manifest this mood, wonderful mood. And Sri Krishna's desire, I am testing this mood. In Dwarkapuri, Sri Krishna always fainting and praying, and his more desire